Amari morning, everyone. Hello, and I'm Zainab Magbanwa. I am a pharmacist, an ALB advocate, and an Amari senior leader. Welcome po sa inyong lahat at kinagagalak po namin na maikwento sa inyo at ma-share sa inyo ang napakagandang mensahe na gusto naming ikwento sa inyo ngayong araw. Ayan, so I'm so excited about telling you more about ALB and Amare, kung ano po ba yung pwede naming maitulong sa inyo in different aspects of your life. And so, first of all, I am a part of ALB community. So as an ALB community, we are a dynamic global family of advocates, leaders, and builders. And ang pinaka-common advocacy namin with Amare is that we influence community for holistic wellness. Kaya kami ka-partner ni Amare because of that common advocacy that they are also promoting to as their mission is to create a holistic mental wellness platform. And as an ALB, partnered po tayo with Amare because we wanted to have a sustainable and strong support system to promote this advocacy. Okay, Amare, on the other hand, is a mental wellness company and it is owned by Mr. David Chang together with his CEO, Ms. Asma Ishak. So Mr. David Chang is a serial entrepreneur, a billionaire based in New York. And here in the Philippines, we are led by Ms. Stella Buan, our country manager, who is an experienced corporate executive in this industry. And the man behind these amazing products that we have in Amare is Dr. Sean Talbot, who almost spent 20 years in studying and developing these amazing products with proven results. Okay? ALB, kung si Amari po no is present in 40 plus countries and it is the one and only mental wellness company in the world. So tayo lang po yung nag-own ng name na to and tayo po yung pinakauna sa ganitong industry sa mental wellness. We are the leader in the mental wellness revolution. And if Amari is leading the mental wellness revolution, ALB on the other hand is leading the drive no and the information campaign of to promote this mental wellness advocacy para makarating to sa iba't ibang parts of the country or parts of the world. And together, lahat po tayo, lahat kami dito sa community namin is promoting holistic wellness at syempre we are doing it day by day. Okay, so this is a dynamic family and we would like you to invite to join this community, no? Pag napakinggan niyo po yung ating presentation, what Amare and ALB has to offer with you towards promoting holistic wellness. Okay, bakit po holistic wellness yung napili natin na movement? Because nung pandemic, no, nasasabi natin na mental health problems are increasing because nagkaroon tayo ng sudden change, 'di ba? Nagkaroon ng impact sa atin yung pagiging isolated, no? And sobrang malaki ng impact 'yun sa health natin kasi nabago yung environment natin. Sinasabi nga natin yung new normal. Pero after pandemic, based on this research, halos walang nabago. The mental health problem, yung dami nun, still remains the same, yung statistics nun. And pababa pa po ng pababa halos post-pandemic based on this research. And ang pinaka nakakalungkot po dito, kasi kasama po ako sa age group na to, which is 35 and below, sila po ang pinaka-affected ng mental health problems na to, no, post-pandemic. And wala din tayong nakikitang relationship na kung nasa progressive country ka or nasa third world countries ka, you have the edge or the benefit or mas tumataas or kumukonti yung level ng yung tao na nagkakaroon ng mental illnesses or mental health problems, no? So hindi po porket nasa magandang country ka or nasa magandang ekonomiya ka, you will have better mental well-being. Wala pong ganon. So pantay-pantay tayo sa ganitong suliranin or ganitong problema. Kaya nga, yung country, no, yung Pilipinas, nakitaan po nila ng urgency itong cases na to. Kaya nila itinatag yung Philippine Mental Health Law or the RA 11036. So ano po yung sinasabi dito sa law na to? Kaya to ipinatupad kasi based on DOH, no, meron isa sa 5 Pilipino ang nagsasuffer or having mental illnesses. So sobrang laki po nun and that's a big impact. Yung mga tao na nagkakaroon ng mental illnesses, that leads to suicide cases. Kaya mataas po ang suicide rates natin. For men, we have 2.5%. For women, meron tayong 1.5, 1.7%. So very alarming to and we have to do something about it. And based din naman no, sa research na isang psychiatrist lang ang available sa 250,000 Filipinos. Kaya tayo hindi nakakapag-seek ng help. And nadagdag pa dito yung maraming tao na may problems nito is they tend to hide what they feel kasi nga dito sa Pilipinas specifically we have stigma with about mental health problems, no? Kaya hindi tayo open, hindi na acknowledge yung kanilang mga nararamdaman. Okay? So sa Philippine Mental Health Law, sinesecure nito na may right tayo to good mental well-being sa lahat ng Pilipino yan. Available yan sa atin, lahat yan. And then may pinobide na funding yung government natin sa mga health programs, projects, and activities. Actually, no, nakikita na rin natin yan dito sa area ko ngayon kasi may mga mental health check-up na rin na available at nagbibigay na rin sila ng mga libreng gamot. And ALB wanted to be a part din ng yung information drive, no, kasi nga the government wanted to disseminate this information all the way to the barangays. And nag-promote din sila ng mga mental health educations in schools, workplaces, and communities. And me as an ALB advocate, very active po tayo mag-connect sa mga church, sa mga community, sa government, sa schools. And if you are also one na connected with them, na may access no, sa mga workplaces na may matataas talaga na cases ng mental health problems, like BPO or other industries pa. So, pwede niyo po kaming i-lead doon. Pwede natin silang tulungan na ma-educate sila about mental health problems or mental wellness as general, no? Kasi that's what we do in ALP. And in ALB and in Amare, we believe that mental wellness is a lifestyle. Hindi po ito isang magic pill lang na pag ininom mo, then you're okay. No? It encompasses these 5 pillars. No? So you should have these 5 pillars. You should check yourself about it if you have these 5, if you're okay with these 5 factors. No? So we have the first one is emotional wellness. So it's about managing your emotions, recognizing your emotions, no? And someone na minsan gusto lang nilang may makinig sa kanila, yung mga parents nyo. If you're a parent, if you're a child, no, tingnan nyo rin yung mga people around you, no. And then purposeful wellness, ito naman po, it encompasses yung vertical and horizontal relationships natin, no, relationship natin with God and then yung mga tao sa paligid naman natin. And then syempre, hindi po mawawala ang financial wellness kasi isa po to sa malaking factor no kung bakit nagkakaroon ng mga depression, anxiety, yung karamihan sa mga Pilipino. And dito tinuturuan din natin sila how to build their financial growth, no, engage no, and thrive, no, paano nila i-manage yung financial aspect ng buhay naman nila. And then syempre we have also environmental wellness. This is so important kasi yung environment kung saan ka ngayon or you're living with or you spend most of your time really impact your mental health. And ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin is about the physical wellness kasi itong physical wellness affects every 4 na binanggit ko kanina, no? Kasi hindi mo yun magagawa kung dito pa lang sa physical wellness pagsak na. Okay? So what we wanted to share with you is that Amare approaches mental wellness through physical wellness by lifestyle change and improvement. So may focus tayo dito sa dalawang parts na to. So number 1, we wanted to tell you about our 2 brains at yung connection nila and how it affects us in our mental wellness. And then yung 3 causes of illnesses na nagbibigay din sa atin ng problema, itatakal natin yan and bibigyan natin yan ng solusyon. So excited na ako. So I'm excited to share with you the Amare products that we have. Kasi nga yung mga Amari products natin, they are based on ancient wisdom kasi 5,000-year-old practice na siya sa Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. And then, syempre, nilagyan natin yan, kinumbine natin yan with modern innovation. Kaya meron tayo, ginagamit natin dito is biopsychoneuroimmunology. Tapos, merong analytical verification yan kasi we have to make sure na yung product na natin is safe, pure, and potent. We want to deliver amazing results. And research proven din yan. Then, syempre, we have to create a sustainable source of ingredients. So, galing yan sa mga wild or exotic ingredients, pero ethical yung sourcing. Okay? So, these are the products. We have the Happy Juice in the Triangle of Wellness. So, i-discuss ko po sa inyo yan kung ano po yung gusto namin maintindihan ninyo ngayon. And we wanted to start with the gut-brain connection. So, ang alam natin, we have one brain, no? But this time, meron tayong dalawang brain, and yung second brain natin is called our gut or yung ating small intestine. So, yung small intestine natin is lined up or punong-puno yan ng mga good bacteria. Good bacteria in our small intestine produces neurotransmitters. Actually, it's almost 60 to 90% of the important neurotransmitters is produced by the good bacteria in our gut. And it is released to the brain, kaya nagmamanifest na siya ng result or effect. And let's know about the 5 neurotransmitters na meron tayo. No? So additional learning sa atin to. We have dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter for happiness and joy, emotions, no, generally. Endorphins naman, it's all about the pain reception. Pag mataas ang endorphins mo, mataas ang level of yung pain tolerance mo. Oxytocin naman is the love neurotransmitter. So it promotes connectedness. Norepinephrine involves focus and attention. Tapos yung serotonin naman, ito yung medyo problem mo if you have insomnia, if you have poor appetite, or medyo bad mood ka, and then pag may mga problems ka with anxiety. Okay? So, we have Happy Juice as a solution to these problems kasi nga, if we have low levels of microorganisms or probiotics or bacteria in our gut, nagkakaroon din tayo ng low levels of neurotransmitters that we needed every day. And kailangan kasi balance yan, no? So with Happy Juice, meron tayo ditong Mentabiotics. Mentabiotics is your source of probiotics, prebiotics, and phytonutrients. Kasi nga, this is a specific strain of good bacteria na nagpo-produce ng mga neurotransmitter na binanggit ko kanina that we really need to balance in our body. So, 1 scoop of mentabiotics, no? That's the ingredient of our Happy Juice. So, you put 1 scoop of mentabiotics and then you mix 1 stick of energy. Energy is there to provide you with physical energy, mental energy, and mental awareness. I used to say that energy is a good replacement to coffee kasi nga pag nagko-coffee ka, gising ka lang pero lutang ka rin, no? Energy provides you the wake, may ano ka, no? May alert ka, gising ka, pero you have the mental awareness and the clarity to do your daily job, no? To increase your performance at work, or kung ano man yung mga ginagawa natin every day. And energy has natural ingredients as well. Meron siyang Asian apple, French grape, no? And pine bark, no? Iba-ibang mga ingredients yan, but that's all natural, non-caffeinated, and wala din po siyang sugar. Last ingredient is the edge. So 1 stick ng edge, it comes in grape flavor. So edge is for motivation, metabolism, and mood. So ang ingredients naman nito are palm fruit, lychee, and mango leaf. No, those are neurotropics. They are called brain boosters. So they can level up your brain performance and improve your mood as well. So together, these Happy Juice are clinically proven to lower cortisol level, your stress levels, and enhance calmness, reduce anxiety if you're suffering from one, better neuron regeneration, increase serotonin, GABA, and dopamine production. What's the good part here is it decreases your stress levels and it promotes your stress resilience. Okay? So drink your Happy Juice once daily in 300 to 400 ml water. You mix these 3 products, and then it really tastes good. Yeah. The next one is the problems with the lack of nutrition, chronic inflammation, and poor blood flow. So itong mga problems na to can lead us to serious diseases like heart attack, stroke, diabetes. Kaya na kailangan natin siyang i-resolve kasi nga based on research again, yung mga physical illnesses leads to mental problems as well. Kasi nga mataas din yung suicide cases with these patients no, na nagsasuffer with cancer, with certain serious problems no, with their health. And bakit lack of nutrition is a problem? Because we tend to eat unbalanced diet. So, kinakain lang natin po ano yung masarap. And over the time, we develop vitamin deficiencies and then we destroy our gut health, yung ating mga good bacteria sa tiyan. And that leads to serious diseases. That's why we need a complete source of nutrition like sunrise. Okay, sunrise is a complete source of nutrition na nandyan na lahat ng mga kailangan mo within the day. You just sip it, iinumin mo lang siya. That's a liquid form. It's like juicing in a pouch. Ang laman niya po ay 22 superfoods from the green leafy vegetables to the berries and to the fruits na meron dyan. Iinumin mo lang siya after breakfast. Okay? And it will provide you the right amount of nutrient you needed daily to function well. And then, sa inflammation naman, inflammation is a part of our immune system. And dahil hindi siya nare-resolve over time, tumatagal siya, nauuwi siya into serious diseases. And one of the best solution we have here is the sunset. Sunset is a combination of omega-3 and tocotrienol. These are fat-soluble vitamins that help reduce inflammation up to 90%. And it also improves our immune system. It helps us have a quality sleep. Kasi nga isa yun sa mga problems natin, bakit tayo nagkakasakit. And sa heart naman, ang pinaka-benefit po nito, it helps us lower our bad cholesterols like the triglycerides. Kaya naiiwasan natin yung mga plaque deposit sa ating mga blood vessel, especially in the heart. And sa brain part naman, it protects our brain cells para maiwasan naman natin yung Alzheimer's disease. Napapababa niya yung risk natin for Alzheimer's up to 54%. So, you take sunset, 3 soft gel before bedtime. Okay? And then we have the Nitro FX or the Nitro Extreme. This one is our solution to poor blood circulation. So, yung poor blood circulation, this is happening because of the decrease in nitric oxide level na nasa ugat natin. So, we are born with 100% nitric oxide. But when we reach the age of 40, nagiging 50% na lang yan. And ang pinaka-role ng nitric oxide, bakit siya importante, is to dilate and constrict our blood vessels as needed. So if you have high blood pressure, your nitric oxide should mandate your blood vessel to relax. Pero dahil mababa na yung nitric oxide mo, it cannot relax anymore. So you needed another antihypertensive medicine like amlodipine or losartan. And alam niyo po, nitric oxide can also help you increase your oxygen level in your lungs, promote sexual health, no? Kung may mga problem na kayo with sexual health. And lahat po ng katawan natin na merong ugat na re-relax niya. Therefore, improving your blood circulation, improving your blood pressure, and lowering your risk to stroke, heart attack, and other diseases as well, especially diabetes then kasi they have problems with blood flow. So how do we use Nitro or Nitro Extreme? We just put 1 ml under the tongue, then ibabad natin ng 30 seconds to 1 minute, then we swallow it. We do it 3 times a day before meals, before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner. So nitric oxide can be taken by all ages. You can have a variety from the FX and the Extreme. If you wanted to have a less concentrated nitric oxide or nitro, you take the FX. If you're suffering from diseases already, you're having maintenance medications, you take the Nitro Extreme. Still 1 ml 3 times a day. So that's the triangle of wellness. It's the best of science and nature that we have to offer. And Of course, before we take the products, you have to make sure that the product is safe and potent and it's a quality one. So we have all the certifications here. It's FDA approved, it's halal certified, and other certification that proves that the product is quality and safe to use. Okay? So we have other products in Amare. So aside from the Triangle of Wellness and the Happy Juice, we also have the collagen in a form of HL5 and Fit20. Then we have Restore. It's a probiotic with kidney support and liver cleansing herbs. You take this capsule before meals. And then we have Origin, our plant-based protein. If you're on a keto diet and if you want to improve your weight, okay, you can use the Origin. These products help you to promote or to have or to achieve not holistic wellness kasi lahat yan, they work hand in hand. May mga kanya-kanyang role sila sa katawan natin. And we wanted you to try this product so that you will start experiencing the holistic wellness na we wanted to share with you. So if you're excited and if you're really amazed with the benefits I've explained earlier, you can try our products for a 1-month supply, like the Triangle of Wellness, the Sunrise, the Sunset, and the Nitro. You can try it for 11,000 pesos for a 1-month supply. And I have a good news. If you wanted a discount, you can choose to buy the 9,250 and be a member or an Amare brand partner kasi nga makakakuha ka agad ng 16% discount on the spot. Diba? That's a lot of discount, no? So if instead of buying 11,000 as a customer, you buy it at 9,250 and be our Amare brand partner. Then for the Happy Juice, we have 10,500. If you wanted to have a discount, no, you buy it at 10,500 and be an Amare brand partner, but you will have a free product like the Nitro Extreme 56 ml. It's worth 4,500. That's a lot of discount. Okay, so you'll get your 3 months, the 3 products, and then you have another free product, which is the Nitro Extreme. Okay, so either way, you choose what suits you best. Kung gusto niyo yung physical wellness part or the mental wellness like the Happy Juice. And if you're if you wanted to be an advocate and nakita niyo po yung urgency ng matter na to na kailangan natin siyang ma-share and you wanted to be an advocate, you are all welcome here. Kung gusto niyo lang maging advocate, and then kung gusto niyo naman mag-lead, no, mag-influence pa ng other people to join our movement at i-experience din nila yung holistic wellness na pinopromote natin. You can also build in your area, you can build ALB community there. And then let's start expanding our reach and let's make an impact and the legacy for Amare Global. Okay? So, paano naman, no, if we wanted to share with you a plan na hindi ka na mamumblema dun sa panggamit mo every month, okay? You just do this simple program that we have in ALB. It's called Me and 3. So, you take the products because you believe in holistic wellness. You take it, you share it to your 3 friends, 3 relatives, 3 loved ones, and then you can start earning from 10,000 to 15,000 per month. Now, that's budget for you to buy your products for free. Okay? So if you wanted to know more about this, you can connect with us. You can connect with the person who invited you to tell you more about it, how to get your products for free for the succeeding months. And if you do this one, you and a few, ikaw nakapag-share ka sa tatlo, din yung tatlo mo nakapagkwento din kasi nga they all love to be well, they all love mental wellness, and they all needed it. Shinare pa nila sa mas madami nilang kaibigan. And you can get up to the rank of silver, which you can get up to 30,000 pesos. Ayan, that's additional income for you. Na syempre, di ba, sabi ko nga kanina, yung financial wellness is a part of being mentally well, no? So, kung meron kang extra, you can buy or you can do something na you love. And because of this system, ituturo namin sa iyo na kung natatakot ka, hindi mo alam paano gawin to. We have the simple and proven ALB system para matulungan ka to earn monthly income. Wala pong guarantee, pero we assure you that we will support you along the way and we will teach you paano gawin to. Okay? So you can get up to gold or platinum and earn these bonuses like the 50,000 and the 80,000. Kung gusto niyo po mas malaki, pag tinuloy-tuloy natin tong ginagawa natin, yung passion natin to share this holistic wellness advocacy, pwede tayong maka-reach up to this level. No, meron tayong tinatawag, achieve leader to diamond rank and make life-changing income and impact. So, meron tayong tinatawag na diamond and diamond is earning up to 500,000 a month. Okay? And through the business building and leadership development program, meron tayong tinatawag na activation to duplication system here in ALB. So, tutulungan namin kayo na palakihin yung business nyo dyan sa lugar nyo at expand natin yan globally. Okay? So, build a brand and build your business. Siyempre, hindi lang po mga cash yung makukuha natin. We have more incentives like may mga cash incentives tayo that can help you buy a car or buy your own house and lot. And syempre, yung mga exciting ngayong buwan, we have the Path to Paradise kasi may mga travel incentives din tayo. At yung ongoing natin ngayon is a trip to Bali, 4-night stay yan. So it will be on October 2 to 6. Ayan, so we'd love to be with you. Mas marami kami kasama, mas masaya. Ayan, kaya sumama na kayo dito sa Bali. Let's discuss kung paano natin to magawa. And it's very doable. Okay, if you wanted to start na, decided ka na, you want to do it as a business kasi nga nakita mo kung gaano kaganda yung potential nito. The best way to start is to start smart, no? With this 36-130 na builder pack, it's a great way to start your business kasi nga you can have a 200% value of your product, yung pera mo, no? 200% kasi parang 70 plus thousands yan yung value niya. Then you will have your own website, custom link to online store, nakapangalan sa'yo yung inyong online store. You can build your global business in 40 plus countries, no? Hindi lang dito sa Philippines. Meron kang business back office na para mo ng assistant na nag-cater na ng lahat ng mga needs ng mga tao mo at nakikita mo na yung growth ng inyong business dyan. May digital tools and materials kami na ipoprovide. Customer service support, yung Path to Paradise points, if you will start with this one, meron ka na agad points doon, nakapag-umpisa ka na. And yung mga kinwento ko kanina ng mga rank na may mga equivalent na income, you're halfway to the first rank, which is a brand builder if you enrolled with this 36-130 pack. At syempre, dahil nasa ALB ka, meron kang community and team support. Meron tayong mga training and mentorship programs na sigurado ako na may enjoy mo kasi it's all free. Okay? And then, ito pa yung isang exclusive na makukuha mo when you join us. We have the plug-and-play system for business success na mapapadali talaga yung negosyo mo. Okay, so if you wanted to start smart and fast, this is our 3 steps. So you order the 36-130, tapos i-share mo yan sa 3 kaibigan mo. Yung 3 kaibigan mo, turuan din natin, gawin yung ginawa mo. We just follow the ALB system. This is the 13578. If you want to know more about it, we'd love you to be on our FB group at mag-connect sa amin. And then number 3, attend po yung pinaka malapit na blast natin which is on December 7. Okay? So kapag nagawa nyo po yon yung Me and 3, then tinuruan mo din yung mga nadala mo na nakausap mo or bumili din, you can get your first income at 30,000 pesos or more. Ayan, silver na po yung rank nyo pag nagawa nyo. That's very simple to do. Natuturuan namin kayo. And dahil patapos na po tayo, so how do you see yourself starting? Do you wanted to be an advocate or you wanted to be a leader or you wanted to build? If you want to be a builder, no, meron pa kaming in store for you. We can discuss one-on-one now with you. You tell the people who invited you para malaman natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede namin ma-i-offer sa inyo to start your business. Pero ang pinaka-importante po ngayon is you decide and start now. Kasi nga, sobrang ganda ng business na to at sobrang ganda ng opportunity kaya hindi mo kailangang ma-miss to, no? Every day counts. So yung pinaka best time to decide is now. Okay? So We welcome you in ALB. We'd love you to be on our FB group. You just search ALB Amare. Search nyo po yan, join our FB group or ask the person who invited you. We wanted to be with you na i-promote yung holistic wellness, mag-initiate ng mga mental wellness talks sa iba't ibang lugar kung saan ka man located. Para makita nyo po yung bigger picture, let's join the next blast on December 7. And ayan, no, yun yung pinaka mabilis natin na event. At kung nasa ibang areas ka naman, meron tayong mga ALB talk in different provinces. Ayan, connect ka po sa mga taong nag-invite sa'yo para maka-join ka na doon at makita mo yung bigger picture at maka-discuss tayo one-on-one. Okay, thank you po for your time. We really appreciate your time and I hope we add value sa inyo. Marami kayong natutunan and you consider being with us or joining our movement. Thank you everyone and have a healthy day.